Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Aussie Vintage Views. Today we have as a game you might have seen before, Postman Pet 3 on Amiga PC. Actually, Postman Pet is made in 1992, it's an old year, a very old year, and it's based on the TV series. I love the old series of Postman Pet because the series suit my old-fashioned type, and if you haven't heard from Alternative, they've released such great sizes, Popeye 2 and Salty and Sweepy, again for Amiga PC. Let's take a look at this game, shall we? See you shortly. This game is very old. It still works. Right, it's quite enough of that. Now, as you can see, this game, it's interesting and it's not very nice today. However, before I enter, let me tell you what's this based on. This game, it's based on the TV series, and it's very old indeed. Let's take a quick look with Pet himself. He's gone to Pencaster because his friend has got a broken leg, because he wants his help. Oh, dear. So that's how he's going to do some hard work in Pencaster, which is very hard. Not actually very easy, very hard. Anyway, I was just wanting to tell you what this game is like, because it's a driving game and it's not very nice, because A, he's driving like this, and B, he's missing a few other targets. Not very good, if you ask my opinion, but, well, it's just a game they've just made. Now, I tried going like this, faster. That's all I did, and I tried some hyperspeed. Hyperspeed means maximum speed. It's not very good. I played this for an hour, but I stalled when I tried to complete some other levels. What do you do with the post? You pick it up and you deliver it. If you miss, the thermometer goes up, not the cat. Yes, it doesn't get mad. As I was just saying, it's a very different game. It's just made. So I don't know why I'm missing a few other targets. It's meant to be tugs. Oh, you know, slow. And I thought if my cousins would like to play this, but I'll say thank you, because they're not very good with controls. Yes, not very good indeed to play this game. What can I say? What can I say? I've already told you that this is based on the TV series. Love the old series, because the old series suits my old-fashioned type, you see. Now this is going back in its box now. I'll find something better for them. It's not as good as a Thomas racing game. Well, that's it for this one. Love this whole game. See you very soon, guys. I'm going now. Bye. I'll make some other series.